Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Telegram not receiving messages. So the first thing that you should know is that Telegram problem like this are 99% caused by internet problems. So the things that we should check, first of all, you should check that your phone is not on airplane mode, because when your phone is on airplane mode, sometimes you can't connect to Wi-Fi or to SIM card data. So that's why sometimes Telegram will not receive messages if you are activating your airplane mode. And after that, you should go to settings and click on cellular, scroll down a little bit. After that, click on show all and go check Telegram. And here you should check that the option you are using is WLAN and cellular data, because if you are using another option like WLAN, so your Telegram will work only if you are connected to Wi-Fi. And if you are using off, that means that Telegram is disconnected from internet, and in that case you will not receive any message on your Telegram because the internet is not working on the app. So if all those options are good and still having the problem, you should go to the App Store and check if there is an update for Telegram app. Go search for Telegram and check if there is an update for Telegram. For me, for example, there is no update. So if there is an update, instead of the word open in the blue icon, you will see update, so you can update your app. And if the update also is not working, in this case it's better to delete the app and install it again and open your account again. So to delete the app, you have just to go to Telegram, long press on it, and after that click on remove app, and after that click on delete app. And after you delete Telegram, just go to the App Store and install it again, and normally one of these solutions will work for you, and you will receive Telegram messages again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.